carrying Sea Dart missiles, and the Sea Dart magazine was extended so that more Sea Darts could be carried, so she's much more efficient. One interesting story from Gloucester was that in the Gulf War she was protecting the USS Missouri, which was in the Northern Gulf, when the Iraqis fired a Super-1 missile at Missouri, and it was very close to hitting the Missouri. The Gloucester picked it up on a radar and fired a Sea Dart and took the missile out. So it's quite a weird work in the channel. They're not very fast, but they were efficient little boats. All made of wood, of course, as most minesweepers are. So that's the problem with them. Okay, what else have we got here? Oh, there we are, look, there is the gun firing on the Invincible. Well, one I've missed, of course, is our own Gerald's landing craft. This has been in the boat club for over 22 years. It's party pieces to go alongside or go ahead, drop the front ramp, and the 1/35th scale tank demonstrate that today. Well, say it's been a very successful model for many years at home. The two sailing ships coming round again. They really do sail well. Most people get a sailing ship to operate on a lake. Obviously you need the full strong keel, which we have. It's really a nice model. And working guns, which you try and incorporate into a scale model. That's lovely. There you go, there's the two forward guns firing. Yeah, lovely. The cordite could be brought up, the shells could be brought up quicker, so they can increase the fire. But unfortunately it backfired because a flash from one of the other shells ignited the magazine and the whole vessel went up. Only 3 survivors from this ship. Quite incredible, really. I believe the actual complement was way over 1,000 men. Yep, here we come again, all coming round again. We've got the Gloucester again, 1/72nd scale. She does look nice. Of course, having 1/72nd scale, you can put an Airfix helicopter on the deck. You don't have to make one from scratch. And that's what Neil's done to them. The Sea Dart missile system, which you can see forward, has actually got 2 red missiles loaded.